Scratch Cat Error, Barney Error 3.2, Part 6. That's correct, Kayla Bishop. I am now furious at you and the background is changed to aqua. Now you have 190 chances left and the fonts are now monoround.
Geez, Scratch Cat, will you please calm down because I don't like your tone that way you are speaking to me like that.
First of all, no. I will never calm down if you listen to me and stop turning off your computer. Second off, do I have to deal with my tone the way I am speaking to you like that? Of course no. And third, that will count as turning off your computer. Now the timer is erupted to 4 days and 6 hours. I didn't even start my speech. How could you turn off your computer before I could start my speech? That's it, I am counting that as yet another non-action. You got 187 chances left to spare. You are going to be so screwed if you do not stop turning off your Windows XP Random Edition. Now the timer is slopped to 4 days.
Then I will throw a pizza dough at you.
Really, Kayla Bishop? Why would you throw a pizza dough at me? That also counts as turning off your computer. You currently have 185 chances left.
Then I will get 4 from BFB to screech at you. Hey 4, come over here.
Okay, what do you want this time, Kayla Bishop?
Can you screech at Scratch Cat for me?
Sure, I will do that right now.
Wait, 4, please don't. Ouch. Kayla Bishop, what the hell is wrong with you? Why would you get 4 from BFB to screech at me? That hurts my ears and it will count as a turn off. Your chances are now 184. You really need to cut it out with those turn-offs of yours. Now the timer is sniped to 3 days and 18 hours.
No, I won't.
If you go any further than this, you will be screwed and done for. You now have 182 chances left to spare. That's enough, Kayla Bishop. If you turn off your computer again, I will be enraged at you, the background will be Cyan, my voice will go to Kidderoo and the fonts will be VDS. Prevent this from happening, okay?